Dear students, are you looking for scholarship while studying? So, are you doing engineering? Yes, of course. There are so many scholarships available. So, I'll be giving the most latest scholarship which is going to provide by different organization for a short duration of time. So, the deadline is very nearer. Let me show you the important details. Kindly update, stay tuned, and you can apply at the earliest. All right. So, first one is IET India Scholarship. It is very popular. It is offered by the institution IET India. Eligibility full-time engineering students and any year of the study. Even first-year students also can be applied. A college must be under affiliated by AICT, UGC approved. All the approval should be required, and a minimum of 60% aggregate marks should be needed as on completion of your semester. So reward is variable scholarship amount depends on the caliber. Application mode will be purely online, and the last date is 15th June 2026. Okay, it is sponsored by IIT. It's a very good opportunity. So request you to check out the website. The details are already given in the description box also. Kindly click on it. It will navigate to the pages and you can apply at the earliest. Don't wait for the last moment because it may some network issue or some other issues will happen. So therefore try to apply the scholarship at the early. Kindly visit the official website of scholarship, register with the email and mobile number, and fill the personal and academic details accurately. Upload the required documents. Make ready all the documents before doing the registration. Submit the application before the deadline. June 15th is the deadline. Don't wait for that. This month only you can apply. Second one is actually one of the foreign scholarship offered by University of Westminster International Undergraduate Excellence Award. It is University of Westminster, UK. Eligibility are as follows. Students applying for full-time a bachelor's course must receive the admission offer from the university. And international overseas students can apply. So these are the details of eligibility with respect to this scholarship offered by Westminster University at United Kingdom. Rewards that is really great. Found 2,500 tuition fee support. This much of reward is actually waiting for you. Application mode is purely online. Last date is also falls before on or before 15th June 2026. Kindly explore the website of Westminster UK, then apply the scholarship accordingly. Kindly don't wait for the last moment. Apply now itself. Apply the admission to University of Westminster and receive the offer letter. Then visit scholarship portal, fill scholarship application form, upload the relevant documents which are required for the scholarship, and give the genuine data only. Then another one is actually good offer from the Amazon Web Services, Amazon Web Services abbreviation AWS AI and ML Scholars. So one of the good opportunity for you, eligibility is students aged above 18 plus. Don't they are not bothering about which course you are doing. 18 plus, those who are having the age 18 plus, you can apply. Okay, basic a Python knowledge is required. You can study the basic Python knowledge and you can earn you can build your career at the early stage of your age. Must know English very well. Rewards free AI and ML learning training. It maybe cost more than 1 lakh rupees. You can do it free. That is a plus point. Even there are chances of getting the job fastly. So before completion of your graduation, the company will grab you if you have the certification. Application mode is purely online. Last date is June 24th. Don't wait for June 24th. Now only please apply because as the last date goes on, no, there are the chance of getting shortlist also will be less. So try to apply early and please visit the website of Amazon AWS. So open AWS scholarship application page. Directly you type and your search engine will direct you the web page. Register using the email ID. Fill educational details. Complete the basic screening process. Submit the application. They may conduct any test or something like that to test your Python knowledge. Okay, so be ready for that. Definitely, you can have a try to crack this particular scholarship. It's a good opportunity. So document usually requires our Aadhaar card, college ID card, mask card, passport size photo with high quality, income certificate if necessary, admission or bona fide certificate which is issued by the colleges. You can approach your university or college to issue the certificate. Definitely, they will help you out. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any further queries, use the comment box. Surely, I will revert your queries. Thank you very much for watching this video. Also, kindly share the video with the people, those who are looking for a scholarship, and definitely that will be really great help from your side. So wishing you all the very best once again. Apply at the earliest. Thank you all. Thank you everyone. Kindly subscribe our channel for getting the similar kind of updates. Thank